Hi, I'm Dan Knight from Evergreen Electrical Services. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. Well, not everything, but most common things you need to know when looking at installing a solar system. You might be looking at getting solar for a number of different reasons. The most common reason being the massive amount of money that you can save on electricity over the next year and coming years. The way solar works in Queensland and most states is solar panels are installed on your roof, which are connected to an inverter or microinverters, which then are connected to a switchboard and all your other circuits. When the solar panels are producing power during the day, this feeds back through to your circuits in your switchboard, powering anything you have on in your house at this stage. If all the power from the solar panels does not get used, it will feed back to the grid and you receive a credit for this from your electricity supplier. There are many different factors to consider when deciding on which solar system is right for you. Some of these are inverter brands, panel brands, system size, correctly suited to your consumption, system cost. Some of the more popular inverter and solar panel brands we here at Evergreen Electrical trust to install on our customers' roofs are, in no particular order, ABB, SolarEdge, Feronius, SMA, SunGrow, GrowWatt and Solus. Our recommended solar panel brands in no particular order: LG, Jinko, Canadian Solar, QCell, REC, SolarEdge, SunPower, Longing and HT. These are all trusted brands which we would have no problem with recommending to our clients. Once you have made your selection and have installed your solar system, it is important to ensure your electricity retailer is giving you the best price for electricity you consume, as well as the electricity your solar system exports back to the utility. It is recommended you get a few comparison quotes for this. We would also recommend you get your solar system serviced at least once a year. This would include the inverter and panels being inspected, cleaned and tested. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video. I hope you have found it helpful, and if you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for further videos on all things electrical, solar and air conditioning.